What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we got a Chevy Cobalt car this time. Something different from the trucks I always do. In for a brand new sunroof install. It's gonna be getting some black suede done, so it's gonna look real badass. The car is blacked out. It's a real clean car, so it's gonna look nice and sporty once I add that sunroof to it. Let's check it out. Got a Cobalt. Clean. Simple headliner. That's what I like. We're gonna go ahead and black everything out with the black suede. It's gonna look real good. Check it out. Alright guys, we got the headliner done, wrapped, the Cobalt headliner. And this for the light was actually right here, so I just cut it out and cut out the other side of it and glued it in, so it makes it look more OEM, just how he wanted it, because he didn't want to lose the light. Check it out. Looks good to me. Looks real good. Black suede. We're gonna go ahead and install this now. We'll start putting everything back, and we should. Alright guys, we got everything installed. All I gotta do is run the power wire through the firewall, which is going to be a little difficult. This car everything is crammed up. I can't see a way to try to through the harness. I'm gonna have to get a flashlight, go underneath the dash on the driver's side, and see if I can get that power wire and feed it through the firewall, connected to the fuse. That's all that's left. Check it out. Badass. Came out real nice. We blacked everything out. We saved the light. Everything looks real good. Professional. Everything looks clean. Check out the button. It's got the sunshade close. Badass. Like I said, all we gotta do is run this wire through the front to the fuse box, and that's it. Just put a pigtail fuse on there, and we're ready to power test it. So let me do that. Once I get that going, I'll power it up. We should be done with it. Check it out, guys. This thing came out badass.